and welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Kat and I am a flight attendant with a major US airline. So in today's video, I'm basically going to be sharing with y'all one of my absolute favorite packing hacks for under $35. I am obsessed with it. I recently discovered it and I feel like y'all are going to be as well. I'm also going to be sharing with y'all what all I pack, how I choose my outfits, and everything like that. So without further ado, let's go to my closet. Okay, so welcome to my closet. So when I choose my outfits, the things that I like to choose leggings over jeans. You can definitely pack jeans, but leggings tend to take up less room. I like to choose sets, so you can like mix and match. I like to choose layers. Basically, it's all about being functional. So I like to choose a lot of stuff that you can mix, match, switch up. So even though you might only be packing, let's say, 3 outfits, you can transform them and make them into, I don't know, 5 or 6 outfits. So another trick that I actually personally like to do is I like to pair my outfits based on my glasses, which actually brings me into today's sponsor, which is glassesusa.com. They are absolutely one of my favorite eyewear companies. It's where I get a lot of my glasses from, including this pair right here, among the others that I'm going to show you. So one of the many reasons that I love glassesusa.com is you can actually get a complete pair of glasses, prescription glasses. These are blue light blocking glasses, which you're going to see all of mine are blue light blocking, but you can get prescription, you can get just plain glasses, you can get sunglasses, starting at only $30, y'all. And every single pair of glasses comes with a basic free prescription, and you can actually add any type of prescription to almost any frame, including your sunglasses. So the way Glasses USA makes their glasses so affordable is they actually cut out the middleman. So this allows you to get retail glasses for up to 70% off. So now you can meet all your eyewear needs by shopping online without even leaving your home. And shopping at glassesusa.com is completely risk-free. So you can actually get free shipping and returns, 100% money back guarantee, and you can get a full refund within 14 days of delivery, as well as a 365-day product warranty, no questions asked, y'all. Also, if you prefer eyewear and contacts, or maybe you just primarily wear contacts, you can also go to glassesusa.com and stock up on all of your contacts. There is 25% off all contact brands. You can even get color contacts. You can get any prescription that you need. It is a deal that you cannot beat. And lastly, glassesusa.com actually has a virtual mirror, so you can actually upload or take a live photo of yourself and then adjust to the image to line up with your eyes, and that will allow you to try on all the glasses so you can see exactly what they're going to look like on your face. So if you did enjoy any of the glasses that I have, I absolutely love them. They are so cool. You can head down to the description below. They will all be linked down there, or you can also shop down there and find your favorite pair of glasses that are going to fit your style. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you the outfits that I have picked out and how I'm going to pack them in the biggest hack ever. Okay, are y'all ready? I don't think y'all are ready because I wasn't ready, but this is actually called the stow and go. So as you can see, it's compressed, it's flat. You can actually just store it in your suitcase when you're not using it, and then go ahead and flip it on out when you are going to use it. So the storage is nice and easy. I do believe it comes in 4 colors if I'm not mistaken. So if pink is not your vibe, that's fine. I think there's like black, gray, maybe it was blue. Don't really remember, but pink was my vibe, so I got pink. But this is actually gonna be one of the best hacks to help you pack, and y'all will thank me later. As long as your suitcase is at least 20 inches, this is gonna work for you. So what I'm gonna show you is I'm actually gonna be packing like my work suitcase. So it's 21 inches of suitcase, and there is gonna be extra space after I use this, which you're going to see. So if you are gonna do like a checked baggage and you're gonna do like a full-size suitcase, this is gonna fit, as well as so much other room, and it compresses down. I don't wanna get too much into it because I really want to show it to you, but this is going to be your best packing friend because it is unreal, and I'm so upset I didn't find this sooner. Here's like the stow and go, and over here it has a zipper on the side. It actually has 2, and this is going to be reversible. So you're just going to go all the way around, and then it also has a little flap. What is that called? Handle. Okay, so it has a handle. So we're gonna go ahead and just reverse this baby. So we're just gonna flip her on out just like that. Okay, so we're zipping the part that we just reversed on up, and then you're gonna flip it over, and there are actually 2 hangers. So this is actually gonna become a hanging closet, as you're gonna see, and there at the bottom is the part that we reversed, and that's gonna become this big compartment, which is so useful. So basically you can hang this up. So I actually have some extra space in my closet right now because it's laundry day, so I'm gonna hang it up in my closet, and that also makes it convenient. So when you're trying to pack everything, you're in your closet where your clothes and your shoes and everything are. So also, if you don't have enough closet space to actually hang this up in your closet, it works on like a towel rack, as you see here. It can also work on a shower rod. Ours is pretty high, so that seemed to be more convenient, but I actually have enough space to do this in the closet, so I'm going to show you how I pack that in the closet. So here's the extra space that I have in my closet right now, so I'm just going to go ahead and take both sides and just hang it up just like that. So now I'm gonna pack it and show you everything I've packed because this is unreal. So quickly before I do that, this is all the stuff that I'm actually gonna pack in there, but you're gonna see here I also do have a luggage rack in my home. This is great for frequent travelers. I'm gonna have everything linked down below, so any products that you like my makeup bag, this, or anything that you find useful, I'm gonna have them all linked down below. So for frequent travelers, this is like must-haves, like really must-haves. So let me pack it and then I'll show you when it's packed. Okay, so I have this all packed up for a 3-day trip, but I wanted to make sure that y'all realize how much stuff can fit in this. So I made sure it's a winter trip. So I'm gonna have winter items in here. I also have a pair of sandals, but that's mostly because when I go downstairs in the hotel, I don't like to put on tennis shoes. So when I open this on up, I actually have my makeup bag down here as well. So this is actually a full-size makeup bag. This isn't just like a little Ziploc bag. I have my makeup bag in there. I have my tennis shoes as well as a deodorizer in each shoe. These are necessities to me when it comes to packing. I've said it time and time again, especially when you're on like longer trips. You need your stuff to stay like smelling fresh and everything. So I have a pair of tennis shoes with some deodorizers in there. If you're gonna be doing hiking or anything like that, or maybe you have gym shoes and you don't want any dirty shoes to be around, like, I don't know, your makeup bag or whatever you're packing, it's okay to bring a shoe bag as well. So I definitely could have put these in a shoe bag and then put the shoe bag in there also. And then like I said, I have a pair of sandals in here mostly because when I go downstairs, maybe I'm getting my coffee or something in the morning, I don't like to put on tennis shoes. I'm lazy as can be. So I have a pair of flip-flops in here as well. So this is actually tall enough that you can take some booties in here and actually fit a booty. So we're gonna go ahead and I'll show you, like, you can get a whole booty in here as well. So if you wanna take your boots, you can pack for winter in this thing. Okay, so the other thing that's very cool about this bottom section is you can actually use this as a laundry bag. So say that you've been on your trip, you've worn all your clothes, now you can definitely bring a laundry bag along with you, like kind of how the shoe bag is. So you can bring like a little laundry bag and stick it in there. Or what you can do is you can move your shoes up to, let's say, this compartment, and then this compartment is gonna become your laundry bag. So that way you can keep everything still separated. Okay, so moving up to the next compartment. So in this one, I actually have my hair straightener. I usually bring at least one hair tool, whether that's my Revlon like 3-in-1, which I adore, or I'll bring my straightener, or I'll have a curling one in case my natural hair just doesn't want to cooperate. So the next thing that I have that I put on the bottom is actually my eyeshadow palette and my contour palette. I put them in a Ziploc bag in case they break. I don't want them spilling everywhere. I don't want them on my clothes. So that's just a little tip for y'all, as well as a shameless plug here. So I have my Cat Eye Cosmetics lashes. These are my lashes. I'll have lash glue and applicators and all that good stuff in my makeup bag, but I do like to bring a whole case of these. Then I also like to bring my glasses. Like I said, I like to pack a lot of clothes based off my glasses. So I like to bring one sunglass pair with me, one actual glass pair with me, and it's also nice because glassesusa.com has hard cases. So this makes it really nice to protect your glasses and everything. And then I have a hairbrush in here, full size, as well as full size dry shampoo. Now, flight attendants do not have to follow the liquid rules when we are traveling unless we're going to international on our own time. So I can bring a full can of this, but no worries if you can't, just bring your mini, put it in your liquid bag and you're good to go. But your girl travels with the whole thing. And then we're moving on up. So I actually have down below, I have a pair of leggings, I have a flannel, I have, there's a flannel if y'all can see it, I have a tank top, I have a pair of jeans, which like I said, I actually prefer packing leggings to jeans because it takes up less space. But I wanted to show y'all can totally pack jeans in here. So I have jeans, I have another shirt, and then when you move over here, I have a, oh, I packed for 4 days. Oh, there's a 4-day trip. Okay, so I have 3 outfits to sleepwear. This is a 4-day trip to me.
My bad.
So I have the 2 outfits right here. Then at the bottom, I have a pair of leggings. I have a full sweater in here. I then have a shirt and some shorts for sleepwear, as well as another pair of shorts down here and a shirt for some more sleepwear. And then for me as a flight attendant, I like to bring a second uniform in case anything happens to the one that I'm going to be wearing. I have a second one in here. I think most people are not going to be carrying a uniform, so that could totally be another outfit in there, plus the one you're wearing as an outfit. But as a flight attendant, you know, the uniforms have to come. So I have a skirt, I have a shirt. I actually up here have another deodorizer bag for my clothes. These are great. You can recharge them in the sunlight. They're made from black charcoal, recyclable. Love that. And then over here, I have a pair of pantyhose. I have some socks. So I went ahead and stuck those up here as well. There's plenty of extra space up here also that you're gonna see. Y'all can fill this on up. I'm getting ahead of myself. You can squeeze it and condense it, so you can definitely fill this bad boy up. Also, up at the top right here, I don't know if you can see, but there's these little small pockets here and here. So I actually have my underwear in one, discreetly put away, and then I have my bra in the other. You can put swimsuits, you can put whatever you need up there. Okay, so I'm moving you over so you can kind of see. Okay, so once this is all packed with everything you need, you just take the hooks off the top and then go ahead and put it into your suitcase just like that, and it's set up. So then once you're here, you're gonna see that there's actually straps on both sides. And so you can just tuck the hooks in, and then you can open these on up. And down over here is one strap, so you just click that in, and then you'll just open this one on up. And down over here is the other strap, so you just click that in, and then you can actually just pull. All right, and then, so you're just pulling on through, and so there we go. And like you can see, I know this is like falling flat. You still have so much space to pack in here. And also right in here, there's also another zipper. So maybe you want some sunscreen in here or something else. This is a carry-on size bag. So if this isn't a full-size bag, you're gonna still have so much space to pack stuff up. So this can actually go onto the entire airplane with you, and you're good to go. You've got all of your stuff. So you can just go ahead and zipper on up. I didn't even have to expand the suitcase, none of that. It's good to go. So then when you open it up, I also have some makeup wipes in here. I have a travel perfume, which this is so cool if y'all have never seen this. So this is actually a travel perfume bottle. I love these. I'm obsessed. I don't know if you've ever seen one of these before, but you can actually take this off and spray it with your favorite perfumes. You just put it in your liquid bag, which is great. So all you have to do is just take your favorite perfume, take this part off, and then take this top part off right here, and then the bottom has like a little spritz. So you just line it up and then push down, and that's actually gonna add perfume in here. And that's all you have to do. And then you just screw this back on and then put the top back on, and then you're good to go, and you can just travel with your favorite scented perfume. So you don't have to go buy any travel bottles of perfume, which anything travel size tends to be more expensive. So that will save you some coin. So I have one of those in the top as well. Okay, so now let's say that you're at your hotel, you're at your destination. There are always closets. I have never been to a hotel where I didn't find a closet with a rack, but let's say we got to our hotel. Now all you have to do is undo this right here in your hotel, take this, go ahead and throw it up, and there you go, you have your hanging closet. So then you can just unpack this. There's no mess, there's no fuss, there's no ironing, there's no nothing unless you just really need to. There's no digging. It is absolutely fabulous. This is one of the best packing hacks that I have found in a hot minute. If y'all did appreciate this video and you did learn something, go ahead and give it a big old thumbs up. Once again, I will have all of the glasses as well as everything that I have shown you linked down below, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.